All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are going to look at BZX protocol. So BZRX, I do not remember if I've ever covered this one or not, but we're going to look at it here. You can see on the chart here, you do have some sort of a pattern forming here. It could be a falling wedge. It could be an extended triangle pattern here. So we'll just let it play out. But as you can see on the chart, there's a clear downtrend here. You do have a bearish cross on the EMAs here, and you're sitting right on the 618 from the low to the high here at 15. So if you end up losing this here, it's going to get extremely bearish on this thing. I extended this pattern here all the way down to the bottom. So if you end up losing this 618, you very well could come down here and kind of just bounce around and come all the way back down here to the bottom on this thing at pretty much 9 cents. So just be aware of that. Once you lose this 618 here at 15, it may just come crashing down. So just take note of that there, or it could, hold this pattern here and kind of just bounce around until it gets to the bottom, and form some kind of a wedge pattern, which would be bullish for a move higher at some point. So we're just going to take it from the fibs at the moment. And from where you are right now, if you come down to this 618 at 15, you are currently at 16. You're looking at about a 5.5% drop, and then you have your 786 rather at 12 cents for about a 25% drop. So the moment you lose 15, you got a 25% drop on your hands down here to 12 cents on BZRX. So just kind of watch that there. The MACD is down here below the 0, RSI below the 50. They're kind of just going sideways, but I wouldn't put too much weight on those until they start to curl up, of course. This thing's not old enough to have a 200-day moving average. So the Heikin-Ashi candles have been printing indecisive over the last couple of days. So we'll see if it holds support here. Just watch 15. If you lose 15, 12 is your next stop. And if we look for a move to the upside, if you get a nice little bounce here, we're going to go ahead and measure the upside. So from where you are right now at 16 cents, your first resistance is the 0.5 at 17.9, pretty much 18 cents for about 11% move. And if you can get over that, you're going to have a tough time getting up here to your 382 at 21 for a 31% move. So you may come up here and get stuck at your 0.5 and then just kind of fall off the table, because you can see you have the downtrend in play. You have your 21-day EMA at 18.6, and then your 50-day EMA, which is curling down at the moment. It is currently at 20.8. So a lot of resistance to get over on this thing, and this support right here is probably going to give way at some point. You're going to come down here to that 12-cent area, in my opinion. That's where it looks like it's headed to me, unless you have a nice curl up on all these indicators and a nice bounce. But like I said, a lot of resistance here and a downtrend in play. So just keep an eye on all those different prices, and we'll leave it at that. Not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.